This is Flashcards Deluxe. It's a program that lets you make flashcards, obviously. You can even put pictures on there and take quizzes based on them, mark whether you got them right or wrong, and it'll ask you the wrong ones more often. And you can also use libraries to use flashcards that other people have already made so that your students can study. So you could use this for like a class review, but it's better if you have a set of iPads or some of your students have it and they can work in groups or by themselves and quiz each other. So the app is called Flashcards Deluxe again, and there's a free version. So when you launch it, you see any flashcards that you have in your decks, and then what you should do to find ones that other people have made is press the plus button at the top, and then choose one of those three libraries. So I'll just look in the Quizlet ones, which you can also access from the web. So if I want to find some chemistry flashcards, for example, I go in Math and Science, I choose Chemistry, and maybe I want my students to review naming of chemicals, so I'll click on Chemical Formulas, and then just choose one of these decks, and then you can edit it after that if you want. But I'll choose one that has a lot of cards in it, like the second one that says 50 cards. Okay, so now I click Download, and it goes into my set of decks. So I did this before to practice, that's why I have two of them. But then I have that deck, and when I click on it, it opens up the quizzing screen, and I'll show you a couple of things that aren't obvious. If you click near the top of the screen, then you get this menu, and you can click on the settings on the right. You can make all the cards go in order, or the cards can go random to make it a little bit harder so you don't get used to the order. This is pretty cool. You can repeat the ones that you miss, and I'll show you how to say that you missed it. And then you can always show the same side, or if you make it harder, you can random or alternate. So I'll choose random. Okay, so the slide says sodium bromide, so the chemical formula is NaBr, and so I tap, it shows me the answer, and then if I got it right, which I did, then I swipe up towards the top of the screen, and then it moves on. So Bi plus 5, that would be Bismuth 5, I think. So I'll click or touch the screen. Yep, Bismuth 5. So I swipe up into F3. Let's say I think that's nitrogen fluoride. So I tap. No, it's not. It's dinitrogen trifluoride. So then I swipe down, and it marks that one as wrong. At the bottom you can see it says correct 66% instead of 100% now. And now after I go through this deck, it would ask me the ones I missed again. It would keep asking me the ones I missed until I got all of them right. So that's how you use Flashcards Deluxe, and I hope this was helpful.